Hi everyone, welcome to another Bitsy tutorial. Today we're diving into the advanced analytics features of Bitsy. Whether you're tracking the performance of your links or analyzing user behavior, these analytics will give you valuable insights. Let's explore the different types of analytics available and how you can make the most of them. Navigate to the analytics section of your Bitsy link. Here's what you'll find. Select the date range of the analytics you want, then click on the Get Analytics button. First, let's look at the analytics options. Total number of clicks. This shows the overall number of times your link has been clicked. It's a great way to gauge the overall engagement with your link. Unique number of clicks. This counts the number of distinct users who clicked on your link, helping you understand how many individual users interacted with it. Top visiting country. Here you can see which country has the highest number of clicks. This is useful for identifying where your audience is located. Clicks over time. You can view how your link's clicks are distributed over time. You can sort this by hour, day, week, month, and year to track performance trends. Location information. Get detailed insights into the countries, regions, and cities from where your clicks originated. Device types. See which types of devices, example, mobile, desktop, tablet, and more, that are being used to access your link. Device brands. Understand the brands of devices used, such as Apple, Samsung, or others. Device brand models. Get specifics on the models of the devices accessing your link. Time zones. View the time zones of the users who clicked your link. Operating systems. Check which operating systems are used by your audience, such as iOS, Android, Windows, and more. Browsers. Identify which web browsers are being used to click your link, such as Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and more. Referrers. See where the traffic to your link is coming from, such as social media platforms, websites, or other sources. Languages. Understand the languages spoken by the users who clicked your link. With each analytics type, you can toggle between total clicks and unique clicks to get a more detailed view of your link's performance. Switching between these views helps you better understand both the overall engagement and the unique user interactions with your link. Now let's talk about a powerful feature, creating a shareable analytics link. You can generate a link that allows others to view the analytics for your Bitsy link. To create this shareable link, look for the Shareable Analytics option. Toggle it to enable. For added security, you can also protect this shareable link with a password. Simply enter a secure password. Click on the Get Analytics button to generate the shareable link. Here's how it looks. When someone tries to access the Shareable Analytics link, they'll be prompted to enter the password if you've set one. You can view all your shareable analytics here. And that's it. Using Bitsy's advanced analytics features and shareable links helps you gain insights and collaborate securely. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bitsy tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need assistance, leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing with Bitsy.